Hello children, how are you? I think you all are fine. I am also fine and welcome to our online class again. I think you all are in safe and stay at home. In this panic situation, please stay at home, stay healthy, eat healthy and stay safe. Okay? Today we are going to read a poem. The name of the poem is Bird Dog and the name of the poet is Eileen Fisher. So let's read the poem. I have two birds. Actually, I draw two birds for you. These are the two birds. The name of this bird is Robin and the name of this bird is Jay. Okay, let's start the poem. Bird Dog. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Talking about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Again, we are going to read this poem. Let's read the poem with me. Okay? Bird Dog. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Talking about people. Yes, talking about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Once again, okay, let's read the poem. Bird Dog. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Talking about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Okay. Thank you, children, for listening me and read with me. I am going to advise you to read and recite this poem at your homes and stay at home, stay healthy, stay safe. We are going to meet as soon as possible again and again. Okay. Till then, bye bye, take care, and stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.